I am going to crash Brian Gibson's car. Ha 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 ha.
Evil GamerAndreu17. What do you want?
Can I please drive your car?
No, you cannot drive my car. Because I already know what you are going to do to it.
I promise I won't crash it.
You better not crash my car, or else. You don't want to find out.
When they got in the car.
Let's hit the start button.
Boy, why are you driving my car that fast?
Because Plotagon doesn't have a yellow car parked scene. But I will go faster.
Please stop the car.
Nope, faster we go.
You are going insane. Stop it! We are going to crash.